Hey guys, it's BW and we're back out in the garage. This video is just going to be a hair different. Alright, these are our tail pipes that we were waiting for the fittings to come in. We got them made up. So I'm just going to show you footage of me going through making them and getting them ready to get put in. Alright, right now we got them hung up and ready to paint. But I'm going to show you how we got there. Alright, so stay tuned and check it out. I got to change my shirt because I don't want to get any burn holes in my sweater. Hot. Bake it on there. Oh, that's tight. All right, let's test fit it. That's pretty cool. There. Looks like it's going to fit really good. All right. Put it down just to look at it. Oh yeah, that'll shore right up. Now we're going to stick a clamp right up in there, and that'll tighten that right up. Okay. I don't think this will ever come high enough to hit. I really don't. But if it does, it should dimple itself. And if it doesn't, see that right there? We'll just add a 12, maybe 14-inch nipple on there, and we'll bring it out right in here under the bumper. I just didn't want to bring it. I just wanted this nice clean look. If you stand back and look, it looks really cool. The only thing that's going to suck is that's going to pile up with some rubber. You guys know that. Alright, that's a pretty good crush on our collector gasket. That should have it. Now for the cutout, I'm going to install the gasket, but I'm not going to tighten the bolts down because I may want to pull the lids off and paint something on them. I haven't decided yet. Yeah, the cutouts didn't come with a nice foiled collector gasket like it did for the headers, but this is good enough. And like I said, we're not going to tighten it down because I may want to put a frowny face or something on the lids, maybe a skull and crossbone, who knows. We're not going to torque them down just yet. And who knows how many times these things are going to end up uncorked. So we're just going to hand tight these for now, and we're going to move back and put the middle pipe in. This one's kind of a pain in the keister to get in there, but it goes. Once we get the hook past the tire, we're in pretty good shape. We might put a little nick or something in our paint job on our exhaust pipe, but that's okay too. We'll get it. All right, let me slide this over and in. Oh, I put this rubber on this one backwards. Wondering why that wouldn't line up. No big deal. Just take the clip, turn it around. I pull them off when I'm welding so that the rubber doesn't melt. There. Now it's a perfect fit. I'm like, oh no, it wasn't gonna fit. Like, what the heck's going on? I tacked everything in place, so there's no reason why it shouldn't fit. Push it over like that when I do my final tighten job. A little. It don't matter. All right. All right, that's good and tight. I don't know what you guys can see under here, but I'm shaking the whole car on the exhaust. And that's before I have the clamps on the muffler. So our hang job is pretty gosh darn good. Okay, we got a mark over there on the frame. It's about the same as the other side. I bring it up here and mark how much of this 45 I want to cut off. And that should put it really close to the same as the other side. Alright guys, well, we're going to scuff these up with some 80 grit, hang them up, and before we close the shop tonight, we'll hit them with some ceramic coating. Just give them a little scuff so the paint got something to grab onto. Alright, well, like I say, we got them sanded up, right? And we just scuffed them, you know. So now I'll just wipe them off to degrease them with some paint thinner. And then we'll hang them up on our little hangers we got here. And right when I close the shop up tonight, we'll hit them with that ceramic coat. Bought myself a 6-pack of these. They're pretty good. So anyway, notice this, guys. Like, well, when I went and put this on at the beginning of the video, I'm like, man, that was kind of stupid. I should have pointed it out. Whoop, whoop. So I learned my lesson, and you notice that on the passenger side, I did that. All right. So let me get these wiped down. We'll hang them up, and we'll take it from there. All right, guys. Well, that's what it took me to get to this point. As you can see, you might not like something I did, and some of the stuff might need to get redone down the road. I don't know. Like, we're cutting through those springs. I think it's going to be all right. But you never know, we might have to make a change down the road. But what you did notice is we don't cut any corners here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a little bit different. I figured let me try to mix it up a little bit and see how you guys like me presenting a video this way, all right? I hope you enjoyed what you're watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, it doesn't cost you anything, and it sure does help us, all right? So until next time, take care, everybody.